This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. One day this week. Good morning, Skeletor. One day this week, I want to start off properly without making a mistake. No, still had my mic closed. Still had my mic off. Okay. Done for the... Oh my God. Good man. Way to go. Let's give a what? What do we got for you? We got this. Done for the day. We got someone that's done for the day at this hour. He deserves the jackpot sound. Skeletor, I'm making a note. I'm making a note just for you. I gotta make a done for the day meme. Perfect. There we go. Hopefully I'll remember in my PA. Good job, good job. I'm jealous. I'm jealous because I'm not in the mood to trade today, actually, to be honest with you. Because I'm still kind of learning the ins and the outs over here. So I have to get used to the way everything is working, where everything is now. I have different layouts. Hold on, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got the 4-hour chart. That's one layout. Yeah, deal me in. Let's forget. What am I doing? Let's see what deal me in is. I want to do a deal me. How's my day gonna go? Deal me in. Come on, dealer. I'm feeling lucky. Oh, you don't want to start with that, really. 86, so close. I missed by 5. That's the way I look at it. Deal me in one more. If I lose 2 in a row, it's a bad omen. It's like seeing a black crow out your window. 79, not looking good. 86. That's funny. Yesterday I lost a PA and went crazy without checking if I had the setup, you know. Ooh, yeah, no, that's not fun. That's not fun. You know, if I had one goal in all this, or 2 goals, not just one goal. If I had 2 goals, one of them would be to get everyone to stop losing their PAs. I'd really like to work on that. It's so unnecessary. And not that it doesn't happen to me too, but, you know, wow, that's like, let's find a way. Let's all work together and find a way to cut that out. I think we'd all be happier in the end. We all got to find a way to do it so that we don't lose our PAs and we see how we feel the next day and make a commitment to it. If I can figure out how to do that, I'll be happy. Okay, so I'm missing one chart, really, I think. Yeah, so we got the 4-hour chart. Then we got 4 charts. Let's see what that looks like. We got the 4-chart layout now. This is all on Platform X. So we got the Renko on the bottom. We got the 2 5-minutes that we can watch for divergence or SMT or SMC or whatever they call it. Right now they kind of look like they're trading the same. It's NQ, the 5-minute on the top, on the left side, and ES on the bottom on the left side. And then we got the 1-minute chart. So the way I'm going to be trade copying today, I'm gonna use my 1 leader account, and I'm going to be trading wealth charts. Yes, they do. They do. 90% off. Yep, they said they have a better order fill system because I don't know if it was like that for everybody. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't be like that for everybody. And what I'm talking about is the 2-second delay from when you click the button to when the platform takes action. I have no idea why anybody would do that. But it does seem like they did that, so. Okay, so, well, if I want to do gold and stuff, I got to look at the, I got to change the symbols. I wish I could make like a symbol, instead of symbol search, is there a symbol list that I can create? And just click. Well, if somebody knows that, let me know. MGC on the 4-hour, so we're at 4,006. We're still trading. Wow, look at that chart, eh? Go back to the beginning of September. Look at this chart. Let's do just the 4-hour. Look at this chart on gold. This is the 4-hour chart on gold. Going back to the beginning of September. And look at NQ. My God, they're almost identical. That's crazy. Yes, Sparky, you're starting already. Hey, good morning. Are you not on?
Good morning.
There you go.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. I'm wearing a sweater. There's ice on our car windows already.
Ice, what's that?
Yeah, it's what you put. Normally it's what you put in your drink, but it's what we have to scrape off our windows when we want to drive our car. We got to scrape it off our windows. So I was up till 3 in the morning yesterday working on all these new layouts. So that's the 4-hour chart. Obviously, we're still climbing on NQ. The daily, I think what's our new high now, our new all-time high? Anybody have that piece of info?
Is it really a new high if you make it daily?
I could have sworn we were in the 475s. It's, Oh, no. It's 391 over there. Okay.
Fix the camera.
So it
This
looks
guy,
like
he
the
don't, he don't like having an extended head. Makes him feel like a cone head.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's true. Thank you. I didn't open my phone yet.
Get nasty messages at night. 3
Not
o'clock
for
in the
me.
morning. Saw your video. You gave me a cone head again.
Mm.
Skeletor, good morning.
Boop, boop.
Bama, good morning. Happy Friday. Oh, my chart's back on even numbers again. So that number of days ain't gonna fix it. Might have to find a way to do a custom time frame or something.
I have no idea.
First try to fix my chart. Now I gotta try to break it so I can fix it. Weird stuff, man. I ain't gonna worry about today. So for today, I just moved it back another day. Keep adding a day.
I did that today also. My wife gave me my I'll tell you later. Oh, we got a short. I don't know if I want to take it. It's only 925. I
So it didn't open yet, did we?
No, didn't open yet. There's a short trade.
Thought you were doing a morning analysis or something.
Well,
News. We got news today, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not checking it because I don't know what's coming out, what's not coming out with the shutdown anymore. So I didn't print my list this week.
University Michigan Sentiment News, 10 o'clock. This one only shows one. One of my charts shows two. So what's the other one? Inflation expectation. We have, those
like a
two.
song.
10 o'clock. Both at 10 o'clock. What else is on the agenda? Morning analysis. Guys, if y'all ever want to help out with the morning analysis and put what you think, type it in the chat.
Oh, yeah.
Go over. Hear everybody's analysis. What you laughing about?
I don't know. I went to bed at 3. At 7 o'clock, my wife is.
Woke up at 3.
I actually fell asleep on the couch, and I stayed there. So my wife is knocking on the wall. She wakes me up. Want to go for breakfast? Okay, let's go for breakfast. 7.
Oh,
I would have preferred an extra hour of sleep, but we'll go for breakfast. So we went for breakfast. It was nice. I just had a coffee, though. I wasn't hungry. I don't get hungry in the morning.
Eggs and toast?
She had eggs, sausage, potatoes, and toast. I had coffee.
How you go out for breakfast, don't eat breakfast?
I can't eat in the morning, especially that early.
I'm not a breakfast person, but if I'm going out for breakfast, I'm eating breakfast.
Oh, 9:28.
What was that?
That was my 9:28 alarm. That's when the opening imbalance alert comes out.
I seen the market doing something.
The opening imbalance report.
There was something weird in the market last night. I forget what time. It was like 8 o'clock or something.
Oh, yeah?
It just like jumped real fast and then jumped right back and jumped again. What the heck's going on?
So 9:28. Do I want to take a small position? I think I'll take a small position, but I'm going to do it in my Apex accounts.
No morning analysis. Morning analysis, guys, is the market's crazy. It's bipolar. It's that time of the year.
Well,
take a trade. Hold on to your seat. Hold on to your hat. Don't lose your shit.
My short-term bias for the next whatever is next few minutes or minute is short right now, which is what I'm going to try and get in on a trade at 9:29 right here. I just took a short at 03. Where will I get out? I will get out at at 12. So I'm risking 9 points on this. Don't go there right away, you fucker. That's a pain in the ass. Okay.
Don't get all butthurt about it.
I just lost $90. Now it's going right back down. I couldn't count to 10.
You can get butthurt about that then.
That's okay. We're under VWAP and we're below previous day's close. That's the worst place to trade. I just went long.
Ain't even opened yet.
I went long at 07.
This is going to be a wild day, isn't it?
We're at VWAP. I took it. I'm only down 17. That's 2 trades
My
already.
clock late?
It's 2 seconds and I'm in for 2 trades. I'm getting in long again, actually, if I can. Right there at 11. I hope I don't pay the price. It looks like I will. Stopped out. Went short.
The hell, look at your charts all over the place.
Yeah. Come on. Short is the right direction. Long was
the right direction right now is not to be in the market.
Yeah, that is true.
Not financial advice.
I do agree. Oh, out.
Personal observation. Am I speaking or something? Some kind of news coming out?
I don't know, but there were a lot of speakers.
What was that? Holy shit, that was so fast. I think it exited the trade before it entered.
Yeah, crazy, eh? It exited the trade before it entered. Okay, we're looking for longs in all the wrong places. That's where we are right now.
Shit.
Looking at ES and NQ. I love it. I have them both up there. Let's put that up. I got the 4 charts.
Like flashed the trade and that was it. It was over.
Mm-hmm. So again, on the left side, you got ES and NQ.
You ain't got no left side right now.
Yeah, I do.
Am I delayed?
A little bit, probably.
Oh, you got the DVR on?
I don't know. No, I don't. It's disabled.
No?
Shouldn't be, no.
Just, okay, glitched or something. I don't know.
ES is showing strength. What I don't understand is how's the 1 minute at... that's hiking as she. You see how the crazy hiking as she is on the 5 minute? Look at the... Wow, that's crazy. So the hiking as she on the 5 minute chart is in the middle of the candle while the 1 minute candle was making new highs for the session. I'm wondering, how is that possible? Okay, we got to get out of hiking as she. That's no good. It's just way too confusing. There we go.
My trade lasted about a quarter a second.
Yeah.
Maybe less than that. Like, so any of those firms that have like a 10-second rule or something, I would have fucked that up. What is going on this morning? New all-time high? Is that what that is?
No.
Nope.
No.
Nope. Too zoomed in. I think you've got to be a scalper in this market or something. I don't know how people are holding trades.
Well, the opening is always chaotic. I did want to get my Dow chart up somewhere, but I didn't succeed in that. That's also going to be, unfortunately, on my other screen. What do we do? Discord, Google. What's Google? Oh, that.
Opening candle was a 2 minute candle, 11,000, almost 200 orders.
Oh, yeah, it's true, eh? 1, 2, we got the opening range. That looks like a little bit of a bull flag, potentially. The last 3, 4 candles.
No, wait, that's the buy volume. Okay, I messed up. All right, so it's like 20,000.
Yeah,
600.
that makes sense.
All right, maybe I need total volume.
Go. Let's break the high of the previous candle. Let's get up to 341.
Very next candle was half that.
Looks like it wants to run.
Who's running? I ain't running no way.
Well, we got VWAP there. Hopefully VWAP will hold. Can we get to 341? Is that too much to ask?
Do whatever you want.
341. We want 341. 341. Whoo, we got 341.
You just will the market and tell it to do whatever you want.
There you go. I manifested. That's a good trade there, right there. I like that long.
Called Manifest Destiny.
Hmm.
You got so many charts making me cross-eyed. Which one we're looking at?
Well, the two on the left's nothing. They're just 5-minute charts, just looking for divergence. So basically, it's the 1 minute on the right and the Renko on the bottom. But let's keep it simple. We'll just watch the 1 minute. And we got an ATR. I got my ATR back up. I don't know what the number is. It's
this guy's got
right
4
now.
charts, and you know what he says? Let's keep it simple.
Yeah, we'll put it on the 1. That's it, the 1 minute chart. Okay, now where do we want to go
Just messing with you. I got 3 charts on screen.
Now it's 347, ladies and gentlemen. 347. 347. Let's go. Let's go. 347. Oh, there we go. Thank you very much. 347. Can I call it or what? We didn't get there yet. Almost. There's your 347.
You rang a bell?
I did. Fries are ready. Your order is up.
Oh, man, I could use some fries.
Your morning potatoes are ready. Okay, do I have to call more levels? Skeletor's done for the day, by the way. I don't know if you saw that. We need a done for the day meme.
Where'd you say that?
Huh?
Yesterday I lost a PA, went crazy without checking. If I had the setup, you know. Yep, you know. Wealth charts have a 90% sell the first month.
Wow, look at that run.
What's the wealth charts on?
Apex.
Apex.
That's the one where they said, okay, we're coming up to the all-time high, 391 again, eh? Oh, and you know what? I don't know if you all agree with me, but I find Friday to be those days where they make a fake move in the morning.
You don't see where, way up there?
Yeah,
like an hour ago. Done for the day. It's Friday. It's a good day to be done early, especially with this freaking, whatever you call this. Still got to survive at least another trade or two. If I can get that, then maybe I could be done for the day. This is just pushing to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah. Like I said, we got the all-time high there, 391. I gotta figure that's that's a little bit of a magnet there.
394.
Look at that bull flag that I called, eh? How beautiful it was. Right there. See, for me, that's a bull flag where I got it. That for me, that's a pure bull flag. Two lower highs. Right where my mouse is.
Am I lagging again? What's going on, man?
You must be. The 931, 932, 933 candles. What time do you have? What time do you have showing? Right under the subscribe button.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Okay,
35.
you're not bad. You should see my mouse on that little on those two red candles.
Oh, I had to refresh it.
Right there. That for me, that's a bull flag. That's what I look for. Strong move up, 2 lower highs, and then to break it. 1 lower high is good too, but I prefer 2 lower highs. Not red candles, lower highs on the individual candles, which we got. Lower high, and then we broke it. That's what I call a bull flag. I don't look for, like, long 18 candle bull flags. I don't know. That's why the last time when I said there's like a bull flag, it was like that. It was like a micro one, but we were in a downtrending market. It's, of course, they're so much better when you're when you're trending up for the moment. And if anybody's watching, if anybody knows how to get rid of this little box here on the top right corner of my chart, position bracket enabled, I've tried everything. I can't get rid of it. And it's occupying valuable space because it covers the chart.
Yeah.
It was pretty stupid what they did.
Weird. Now it's Project X.
Yeah, well, it's Project X, platform, Top Step X has it also. I'm sure TradingView has it also. Well, I'm not sure. I would guess. I don't have TradingView, so I don't use it. I don't open it.
I don't have a bracket thing on mine.
I don't know what that is. It's always on one chart. If I go to a 2-chart layout, it will be on one of the charts. If I go to a 1-chart layout, it'll be on that one chart.
I think it wants to take a trade here. I don't know. I don't like this positioning. Gotta make sure I'm on odd candles.
Yeah, I so wish they would allow you to bring in custom indicators on Project X. That's such a mistake that they don't give that feature seriously.
But I don't understand because if it's TradingView, that was always the whole thing about TradingView is your custom indicators.
Yeah.
Why would you not allow that?
Mm-hmm. I don't have my opening ranges anymore. I don't know where the it doesn't mark off now the range for the opening initial balance for the first 15 minutes. I had that before I'm going to set up my Ninja Trader on the other and I'll be able to watch it. So I'm still kind of flying in the dark here. I'm still missing quite a bit of my gauges because that always gave me a reference point to know.
You're going to be like the rest of us and have 3 different platforms open?
Yeah, well, just 2. Okay, 3. Top Step X, Platform, Project X, and Ninja Trader. Well, I always had 3 open, to be honest with you. Just now the primary is going to be what you guys see. Now the primary on my main computer, main screen, is going to be Platform X. Trading Bulenox. Now I got to get comfortable copy trading. I'm still emotionally scarred. It's crazy. I'm still nervous to do it. Yeah. Instinctively inside my body feels like, be careful, it's going to fuck up. I have to get that feeling out of my... Long at 65. I'm long at 62.75. I like that. I'm kind of targeting just 70 here, so 8 points. $68, $69, $50. I got out of a 3 lot. I got 2 left. Yes, I always get out a little earlier, and I didn't count to 10. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, but I got an entry also at 68, another one. So now we're targeting 75. Ooh, yes, we are targeting 75. That's a 73% probability. 25,375. I'll hold it. So I'm long at 62, targeting 75, 13 points. And my stop is at 54, so that's 8 points. 13 points for 8 points. That's not bad. I like that. I'll take that any day. 13-point TP, 8-point stop loss, 73% probability.
Yep. Do it. I like it. Do it. Oh, I heard 15 minutes till news.
Now we wait. There we are. I'm getting out early. We're out. We're out. We're out. That's what 73% probability looks like, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to know those numbers. Fist pump.
Fist pump. Yeah. Let me hang. Let me hang. All right, what are we doing?
Waiting for the next trade. Okay, we're in? No, I'm joking. I want my Dow chart. I feel like I'm missing easy trades in the Dow. Coming up to the all-time high, 385, 384.
Looks like I'm fixing to take the trade in the all-time high.
Well, I feel like you're in Florida and I'm in Iceland.
I don't think I turned the air conditioning off.
Yeah, air conditioning. We're working with the heat already.
Heat? What's that? I got a fireplace right beside me.
Oh, and put a fireplace in a house in Florida. Who is this contractor that was on drugs? Yeah, that would be a good idea, a fireplace. What do I need to do? Maybe I'll move you.
I like it. The kids like it. The wife hates it.
Yeah. I'm sure it's nice. It's cozy, I'm sure, on...
She just don't like the idea of having a fire inside the house.
Days in January and February and March. I think you guys go down to 60 degrees, probably 50 at night. Okay.
We got like 9.5 days of 9.5 months of summer, 2.5 months of everything else. And all the other things are put together. Fall, winter, and spring are all together. They change daily. Okay. That's the trade I was looking for.
Oh, yeah? Really? Who's giving me the hearts? My wife is, how can my wife be on the stream? She's on the road. You know, I didn't do my road trip again yesterday.
Maybe one of the other guys are giving you hearts.
Could be. I don't think so, though. It could be. Yeah. She stole my trip. She's going today.
Without you?
Without me.
Where's she going?
To pick up that stuff in the country there, whatever, you know, the little country drive to go pick up the railings and the gates for the deck.
Because you wouldn't do it?
No, I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it.
You've been talking about it for over a week.
I know. I've been trying to go Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and I got robbed every 3 days. Hello, JC.
Yeah, there she is. JC, you don't have to remind them every 6 months, okay?
JC, we got to change you to JC Trader, even though you're not a trader. I could kind of take a trade here. 82.75. I could have entered at 75.
Got busted. You've been talking about going on this trip for over a week.
Yeah, well, she knows. She even sent me an apology because it was her fault. I couldn't go yesterday. She sent me an apology.
You're still blaming her? Oh, my
Still blaming her. 75 is like an entry. I'd give it a C+.
I'm going to show her that video.
If you enter now, your stop is like say 68, so it's a 5-point stop for a
Show her that
17-point chart. Which video? I don't know which video.
Oh, where you got mad at me?
Yeah, where I don't listen. I never listen. Maybe I got wax in my ears. Okay, it stopped out. That's why I said it was a C+ trade. I didn't take it. It's always my fault.
Uh-oh.
You know what? I went to GPT and I said, what's the difference between a reason and an excuse? And it said an excuse is when you're blaming someone else. A reason is when you, even if it's the same thing, you know, I gave it the example of my wife vacuuming under my chair, and it puts me on tilt and I lose, let's say, my next trade, or I trade stupidly for the next little while. So if I say, okay, when my wife does it and I got to fix it, if I realize what the catalyst is and I take responsibility because I'm still the one eventually clicking the buttons. So let's say I would close my platform now, I would learn. It's a reason. But if you just blame your wife, oh, it's your fault I lost money, and you're trying to put the blame on someone else, then it's an excuse. That's the difference between a reason and an excuse. I always work with reasons.
Yeah, we've been through the same things too. Trying to explain to the wife why you can't do stuff like that. Trying to trade.
Yeah, the vacuuming under the chair is a nasty one. I know I've talked to a lot of people and it just drives them insane.
What the hell?
You can't vacuum under a guy's chair when he's concentrating. But I don't think they understand that there's concentration and focus involved. I think they just see you looking like, you know, like you're watching TV. You're just staring at a screen, so not cleaning the basement, is it a reason or an excuse?
Got me on a glitch somewhere. I got to check my accounts.
I think it's an excuse. I don't have a reason or an excuse for it. I'm just not doing it. I like my basement.
Didn't see what it said. It gave me an error. Clicked out of it so fast to get out the trade. I didn't see what it said. Got me a glitch, threw me into a trade on something. I don't know what it was.
Wow. So they really jumped in front of the all-time high at 391 and started selling it. Now we're at VWAP. That's pretty impressive, eh? I'm always fascinated when they do that.
Hearing the bell again, guys. We got news in 8 minutes.
Yeah.
What was up with this freaking trade? Oh, it was supposed to be a trade. So I was supposed to take the trade. I don't know what the error was. What's funny is I have 2 bots running. They both should have the same entry, but only one of them took the trade. But then it didn't give me my TP or stop loss. It just threw me into the trade.
Yeah.
One of those things with Ninja Trader. Somewhere you can see the error report, but I don't know how to do it. That sucks. Would have been another winning trade for the day.
It's amazing how Top Step X and Project X, with different firms, and they're absolutely identical. The Renko charts, and I mean identical.
This guy's going to marry Project X. JC, can we get him a pillow with an X on it? Please.
I can't talk enough about Project X.
Anybody for Christmas, Mike, would like a pillow with an X on it?
Don't get me 47, 43, 33. Shit, damn. I went, oh, thank God. Stopped out. You want to know what the thank God was? They got me on I entered in the wrong size. And I entered in a 1 lot. I love it. I love when a mistake works out. You didn't get my money.
Day is looking pretty nice so far. All I gotta do is not lose my money. It'd be a great day.
Hmm.
Or at least a good day. I mean, could always make the numbers a little bit bigger, but whatever.
Meh, don't think about that. All we think about is take our setups.
Exactly.
The market gives what the market gives. We do our best with our.
If it was 11 o'clock, I'd call it a day.
With our exits.
Calling it a day at 10 o'clock just kind of seems like, what are you doing?
Yeah, you sit here, you keep me company. Wow, I'm nervous to take a trade on Project X. Can you believe it?
Keep in mind, we got news in 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I'm not doing it right now. It's just a trade copier. What I think I need to do is, I think I need to copy less accounts at first. Just, gently ease myself back into it.
You do any trading last night?
No, not at all.
Telling you, man, these evening sessions have pretty much been just pick a direction. Got to kind of hold for a little bit longer, but hope we don't take all-time high and fall. Bam, you want to take all-time high and keep pushing?
Really? You hope we don't do that? I was kind of hoping we do that. Not only I was hoping we do that, I'm actually thinking that's probably a very likely scenario.
Maybe he just wants it to go short now.
Wow, my color blindness is really kicking in. Those bars that you guys see as white, I'm seeing them as green. Can you believe it? And I know they're white because I know the code. It's 000000. I've confirmed they're white. Huh?
Look green to me. Oh, now they look blue.
The up bars.
Blue and purple, right?
Yeah, blue and purple. I know the colors that they're supposed to be, but they're showing up as green to me, and that's kind of weird because white and green was never really a problem for me. Green is, but green mixed up with red and brown, not with white. It's odd.
Again, I don't know why it keeps putting me behind on your stream.
I thought the platform was screwing up. Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Gotta lower the resolution. Still doing
You shouldn't even be able to be behind in the stream. Like the live button, like put your cursor over the live button. Do you even have the ability to click it? You shouldn't even have the ability to click it.
Yeah, I do.
That's weird. Well, maybe you
found... Why am I still on this screen?
Maybe you found a way to disable the disabling of the DVR or EVR or whatever it's called.
Apparently, I've had us hiding for a while.
We had an inside bar there on the 5 minute 2 candles ago. We might be forming an inside bar right now. 149 left on the 5 minute.
Highest stop. Yeah. You know we have news in a minute and a half, right?
Yeah. My hand's not on the mouse at all.
I'm talking about Alabama.
Oh, okay.
They sold 350. Maybe he's playing the news. I did before I sold.
What cookie? You want more food? You want your breakfast? You want your breakfast potatoes?
So you know we have 2 red folders hitting in 1 minute.
There
they were consumer sentiment and inflation expectation.
And there's the Sparky Cookie Index.
Countdown for 40 seconds. He's like, wait, where are my deltas? See if we get the pop this time.
It's true. You're a trading view user. You can help me. I'm going to drive you nuts.
You can play with who's nuts?
You. I'm going to drive you nuts.
Sorry, you're not playing with my nuts.
I'm not going to play with your nuts. I'm going to drive you nuts. I got questions. You got answers.
I didn't see much delta movement on that one. I didn't see much price movement either.
Like CVD, can I get the CVD on TradingView, or it has to be an imported indicator?
I think you can get it as an add-on indicator. I don't know if it's one of their indicators.
Yeah, no.
But also you have to keep in mind that TradingView doesn't really have tick data, and CVD is based on tick data. So even if you do get it, it's not going to be it's going to be like an off version of it. It's not going to be all the data.
Yeah.
Which can still be usable. Don't get me wrong. You can still use it. But it's not going to be as accurate as actually having the tick data.
Okay, well, I'll just set up Ninja Trader on the other computer.
Just look up delta, volume delta, or...
Well, I thought you can't import anything with Project X.
Well, I'm saying they might have it on one of the indicators.
You got what you got. Yeah, I'll look. Okay, we got a little bit under VWAP.
But you still holding that short? There. Let's see if I was guessing what he went for. What did he say, 50 or 55? Sold 350. Stop at the high. Take profit at the low. Something like that. What's all this Nightbot shit? Come on, Nightbot. What we talk about, Mike? Don't ever do it. And then it wants to do all of them at one time. Like, dude, chill.
It's only the first one. Okay, let's see if I can get a...
Wife's already going on. This day we're going to do this, and this day we're going to do this. Fuck, I'm already tired.
Okay, trying for a bend.
And just as luck would have it, I think me and both the kids were coughing all night.
Oh, yeah, I've been thinking I'm sick now for a little while, to be honest with you. Sore throat, runny nose, felt feverish, but it's not getting worse. It's just hanging around like a...
My wife told the daughter last night, she's like, you better not be sick.
I'm going to take a break for a second, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah,
you're good? Yeah, not really?
You're
good? Yeah, I think it is.
If you get coffee, grab me some. The other guys want some coffee too. If you don't get us coffee, I'm going to tell JC you're being stingy. I'm a large selling balance up there at the 346 to 355, huh? Wish it would just go where it's going. Yeah, that's the way I feel all the time. Looks like I could be getting a short entry. It pushed right back up into the selling balance. Wish I'd have seen that earlier. $5,000. Take a look. Down a bit. Oh yeah, that's a big support right there. 25,000. Back here, over here, here. That's where we've been bouncing off the past week or so. Drops down real hard. 25,000, shoots back up. Somebody's just been selling it and then buying it right back, selling it, buying it back, selling it. Posted it. Let's take a look. So they just put that on today, huh? I thought maybe they just had it resting there. Looks like they just placed it. Yeah, I like that book map. I need something like that. But I think I could get most of it on Quantower if I just bought the full book of data. I think they have where you can have like the level 2 on the side. I don't know how to set it up. Bam, I was watching this video and the guy was setting up the like volume profile on his candles. Kind of like I guess that don't know how to volume profile. This one does on the side here. Hold on. Let's go to this one. Had someone, the guy was saying to set the, I got there, the value area to 40% instead of 70. Probably see if it didn't have all these large orders on here. Turn that off. The guy was saying you're looking for it to open outside of the 40% value area. Haven't tried on 30-minute chart yet. I don't really see a good example either. So kind of like here, it's pushing up the value areas down here. This is the delta. This is the volume. This is opening above the volume. That means it's bullish. If it opens in volume, it's neutral. And if it opens below volume on the 40%, it'd be bearish. Don't really see a good example at the moment. Don't open there. This one kind of opened a bit below it, pushed up and then dropped. It was an interesting video. I think it probably worked better on the higher time frame. The 30-minute I got as the actual footprint, so I have to maybe set up another 30-minute or a 15 or something. I've seen a few instances where it worked out pretty great. Kind of miss seeing my delta volume though. Let's see. I don't know. Here we opened above, but then we came down, so it's not foolproof, but it was an interesting video. It's worth looking into. Kind of showing you per candle if the market's still in a bullish state or neutral or bearish. So pre-market. Yeah, not the best examples today. Thought we was going to get a short trade, but it got invalidated. Of course, it's at VWAP anyways. I like this delta view because you can see the strong buyers and sellers coming in. I guess we took out that seller imbalance right up here. Maybe now they want to drop it. Push up, take out the seller imbalance, and go down.
We missed some good stuff. Oh well.
I didn't have your mic on.
No, I didn't know. Anyways, I was talking about getting up to 54 and targeting 61. I said 54 bid has to hold. We're at 52. Come on, let's go. And you were talking about knocking it down. There's 54 bid. It held. We're targeting 61. I'm in.
Do you find it odd that Michael has a problem with the mic?
Yeah, Mike has a problem with Mike. Oh, you give me a
large
losing
volume
trade,
to the downside,
eh?
dumping.
You give me a losing trade on a Friday?
Oh man, that was a sell entry there.
That was not nice.
That was a sell entry there. I can't short in the VWAP. I can't do it.
That's funny. I have two different VWAPs. You know, the VWAP on, yeah, that's the thing. My VWAP is a lot higher in TradingView than it is on...
Sometimes in Quantower, my VWAP's in a different spot.
328 on 400 volume on Renko. Let me do a 1 minute chart and see. Also, duplicate the new tab.
I got to turn it off because I like the bands, but then it kind of messes up the view.
328.
I got VWAP same spot right now.
Yeah, my VWAP on
more strong selling.
It's 348. It's a weird VWAP. Well, it's an anchored VWAP in
Yep, that was the trade. I can't short in the VWAP. Sworn not to.
Well, we'll leave it there. Maybe as time passes, I won't unanchor it. As time passes, maybe it'll be more
Yeah, I'll be back. Grab a drink. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, you know what to do.
Oh, no, it is the same. It's just the data wasn't loaded. Wow, that's kind of weak. Okay, well, we know now. I got to load the data. Open it up. Now they're at the same price. There we go. Okay, that was, I guess, important to get that done. Are we going to bounce? This is the third time. We bounced off VWAP at 950. We may have had the 10 o'clock reversal here. And now we're going to bounce off VWAP for a third time. It's an interesting trade. 16. It's a 10-point trade. Or are we going to take this, wick this out, and then bounce? Or are we going to go down to 286, which is the previous day's close? Where'd we open? 930. We opened up, eh? We didn't fill the gap. Oh, I'm thinking now a lot of people are seeing fill the gap. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. $286. That's a handsome target. It's a nice distance away. Whoa, are we really going to go there that fast? I don't have an entry. I don't know about you guys. I don't have a way to enter this. But NQ, in my opinion, is still weaker than ES. So if one is going to go and tap the previous day's close, actually, I can't even talk about ES. See, that's the problem with TradingView. I don't have a previous day's close, and I had to put them in manually, and I didn't put them in for ES. So I don't even know. Again, see, flying blind. Don't even know where we are in ES. I don't have my bearings, which is kind of shitty. But now that I know I got to add it, I will. And I'm also going to add a anchored VWAP on the 5-minute chart. Because it didn't work properly on the 1 minute, and that's going to be my reminder. Now, let's put it in also. Since we're here and we're doing it, let's update the charts. Anchored VWAP. Got it on the 5-minute chart. Very good, very good. So we're both kind of in the same place with both. Are you fucking nuts? Gave me a fucking heart attack. Shit. I owe you one.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm all right. You
Broke
got
it.
Me
Oh, man.
Got me sleeping. You caught me sleeping at the switch.
Ah, there you go. You all right?
I'm all right. That's fun.
You need to take a break, go
No.
check the drawers.
It wasn't that bad. Let's make this one white. This really sucks.
Thought I forgot to turn the air conditioner off, but it is kind of chilly today. I did turn it off. It's like wintertime in Florida, man. I must have sent us some of that cold mountain air or something. 70 degrees. That's like winter in Florida.
I got to work for my levels now. I got to mark in the previous day's high.
I have to tell Skeletor to put a jacket on. Most Floridians don't even own a jacket. I had one for like 10 years. I wore it like 5 times.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it is crazy. Wife bought me a nice jacket. Got an inside pocket. I used to sneak beers into the club.
Okay, there we go. I have my bearings back. Let's save it. More chart maintenance.
Bam, you still holding that trade? You get out. Mike, one day I'm going to learn how to hold a trade like that.
Is it still holding?
I don't know. That's why I asked.
That would be impressive.
It's impressive.
Yep.
Holding.
I'm surprised, actually. You see, that's the hard part about holding.
It's not really that hard though. If you just like,
well, look, he gave up 40 points already, and he's still holding. So, you know, I don't. Where's he? He's short at 50. Like he's almost at break even again. You know, yeah, he can be. You know, he could be targeting 200, and the trade is the trade. It's this. I guess it's the equivalent of my 7-point trade going against me by 4 points.
Exactly.
You know,
the only problem is
it's
if
relative,
you have trailing drawdown.
Yeah.
Bam, you got trailing drawdown or end of day? I feel like if you trade like that, I feel like you have to have end of day. Trailing drawdown on something like that, just You'd be down 48 points just being at break even. No, I won't use a firm that isn't end of day. Okay, so yeah, end of day. So yeah, you'd have to have end of day. When I hear people mad about the trailing drawdown, I'm like, what does it matter? And then it's like, oh yeah, some people do the longer trades, and that would be terrible.
Yeah,
just
well,
right there, you'd be down 48 points at break even. Like what?
Every firm's got their rules. You go with the one that suits you the best.
Yeah, absolutely.
For me right now, I think, I swear to God, I think it's daytraders.com, and I'll tell you why. The rule at Bulenox, the 5-day rule, really gets under my skin.
Yeah.
Especially, I don't want to trade copy 12 accounts. I want to do it. I want to do it in pieces, you know, like 2s or 3s or something like that. So I'm not putting the whole portfolio at risk.
I made that video. I'm gonna tag him in the video.
Yeah, I saw it.
Maybe I'll send it to him. That's stupid. They're not gonna change it. They've had that rule forever.
Apex has the 30% loss rule on any individual trade. I don't like it. But daytraders.com doesn't have either of those. And they have pay the eval fee only once. And
well, Daytrader does have a similar
it's 90%
rule.
Off.
But you have to trade once a month, I think.
Yeah, well, they all have something like that, but not in 5 days. 5 days is ridiculous.
5 days is ridiculous.
If I break up my portfolio into 3 or 4 pieces and I do one piece each time, it's like I'm skating on thin ice. If I miss one day, I'm like almost, by the time I rotate back up to the other sections of 2s or 3s, it's 5 days.
Especially since they don't want you copy trading with other accounts.
That too. That's another...
I would say that's the biggest downfall of Bulenox.
Yeah,
I don't think it will affect most people. But I mean, it's just the possibility that it could happen and you're going to lose all those accounts. They're turning off a lot of people from their company over a rule that's
it's like a real ridiculous rule, man. Targeting 45. Sorry about that with the throat clearing. I'm long at 38.
I was thinking last night about day trader. You remember the other day when I messaged them
Yeah.
about the code or whatever, and the guy's like
yeah.
right there. It's like, damn, I already got the guy on the line.
Yeah. Customer support was phenomenal.
Then,
That's also very important.
I told him what I wanted, and like freaking 2 minutes later, he's like, done. I'm like, what do you mean done? Was he blowing me off? I was like, Mike, I think this guy's blowing me off.
Mm.
And he did it right there. The whole conversation was literally a few minutes.
The only problem was that after I emailed him and he said, I'm tired. I already did one. I need a break. I'm tired.
Did you ever email him?
No, I didn't.
The whole thing for me was like a matter of minutes. I was like, damn.
Yeah, I'm going to go take care of it.
I mean, talk about customer support.
Yeah. Going to see if we can get some accounts to give away.
Look, I messaged Bulenox that blew me off for 3 days and had to reword the question 7 different ways.
I don't know. Maybe they're hurting a little bit with all the competition and stuff. Maybe it's maybe they're not keeping up.
Well, we'll say I've always gotten good support from Bulenox.
Yeah.
Some of the things going on is kind of raising questions, especially the not resetting accounts properly.
Yeah.
Of course, the 5-day rule sucks, but I mean,
but no,
not that as far as I can remember.
Yeah, no, the not resetting is not their fault, and I give them that. That's a rhythmic problem. It's a rhythmic problem.
That's been going on for months?
Well, it could be a permanent rhythmic problem, just like Rhythmic has 3 separate servers for the orders, to receive the order, to fill the order, and to report the order, and it screws up the bots.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Well, of course, you message them and they fix it. So, I mean,
yeah,
they could have a guy going through and...
They could have a report printed out.
Think of how many people that won't message them that are just paying for an account they can't use.
And they don't need a guy even. You can create a program. It prints out a report of all the accounts that renewed, and then it should just run through and see if they got renewed or not, if they got reset. You don't need a guy on it. You can automate that. Seriously, this is 2025 now.
There we go, another signal right into VWAP. What's going on with VWAP, man?
Oh yeah, you got shorts.
Get me out of here.
What about the 5-minute chart? That's not giving you an Omnius bull flag? That looks like an Omnius bull flag to me.
On the 5-minute, I wasn't gonna say nothing because Bama's short, but I don't know that I would consider that necessarily a bull flag on the 5-minute because it comes all the way down to the pole.
Yeah, it's not for me, but it looks like an Omnius bull flag.
I'm sure you could call it an ugly bull flag. Yeah, pushing up here and then coming down. I mean, it's a weak one regardless. I wouldn't base my decisions on it, but really not supposed to be looking for shorts anyways. I guess kind of messing up my own system. I got nothing telling me I should be looking for shorts. Really, I need to get down here to look for a pullback for shorts. My system generally works pretty good when I follow it.
Well, that is what I've...
Fellas traded, you know how they say log your trades? I feel like we just need to log like how many times we lose and that didn't follow the system.
Yep.
I I'm sure I could take a quick short right here. This chart says I can. Let's take it. Oh wait, that one says not to. Oh well. I feel like the win rate just drops like probably 10% or 15% when it's not all in line.
Which lows you talking about, Bama? Around 1016, 1017, those lows? Or are you good
the
with
last low, 301?
Or are you good with just breaking 320? Or the 930 low under 300? Yeah, if we break the US session lows, we get under 300, then yeah, definitely I could see moving the stop to break even.
You see my thumbnail? Change the thumbnail up a little bit. Thanks, I don't.
Yeah, the trading live was throwing me off. Oh, look at that. I got to take this.
What was throwing you off?
You had the words trading live. And for me, it's like it should be live trading. I have an entry at 47, targeting 55. I'm long at... Oh, I got in at the wrong... I got in on the wrong market. What an idiot. I got in on the Dow. I had the wrong chart up. Okay, even better. I can get in at an even better price. So I'm long at 39. Wow, I got 8 points better. Stop is 33. I got a 6-point stop on this trade. 8, 7,
long or short?
Long 6-point stop, 15-point target. Targeting 54, 55.
Busy right now. Tell me if it's there in a minute.
Well, I won't say it's likely to get stopped out. I think it's right now. It's
Huh? What are you talking about?
My trade.
I didn't say it was going to get stopped out.
No, me. I'm analyzing it as it's trading. I'm just thinking it looks like it's going to get stopped out. I'm not listening. I wasn't answering you. I'm in my own bubble here. I got out of a piece. Remember that thing that I said? Do you find it hard to hold if it gives you stress, if it goes against you?
It said market analysis and commentary live.
What are you talking about? We're not on the same topic. We're talking about two different things right now.
The thumbnail, you said it was like backwards. It says market analysis.
No, your old one.
That's what I'm talking about, the old one. It says market analysis and commentary live.
Yeah,
what's that backwards?
Commentary live. It's live commentary. Adjectives come in English. Adjectives come before the word, not after.
Oh my God! You're one of those people.
Yeah, give me French fries, salty. I like my. No, that doesn't work. You can say I like my food cold. I don't know. I put adjectives before the what's it called? A noun.
So you would put market live analysis and commentary.
No, live commentary. That's the thing that threw me off. But now you got the live.
What about the analysis? So you're splitting up the word.
That's it.
No,
market analysis you had on one line. So that's it. Once analysis was said, that's over with. It's market analysis.
And now you're talking about different lines? No, I don't know all that shit.
That's where the thought ends. That's how people read it. Market analysis, and then they go down to the next line. Live commentary.
Are you one of those people that harass people because they didn't put the
I didn't harass you. You asked.
In the compound words?
Do I have to go check the replay again? I think you asked. You asked me. You said, "Did I see your new?"
Like you put didn't, but you didn't put like the apostrophe or whatever. So
I like your new one. That was your question.
Which I never do.
That's my answer. I like your new one.
Look, I make up my own English. Screw their English. Yeah, I'm just messing with you. How'd your trade go?
I got out, but I don't know, break even maybe. I couldn't hold it. They got me out. Oh, it stopped out actually. Okay, perfect. It went against me. Then it came back up to break even or a little bit. I got out because I didn't like it.
Here's what I see for anybody that's interested. The VWAP is flat. 5-minute moving average is flat.
Oh, I forgot about those.
And a lot of wicks all over the place. What does it mean? It means we're moving sideways.
What is your 5-minute moving average again? 100, 200? I forgot. Oh, I had it at 100. Okay. 200. Well, the 200 is very often going to be flat anyways. That's a heck of a period. It's hard to have 200 bars going up.
It's rarely ever flat.
That's what I said. Did you see my new thumbnail? Now that we're on that topic.
I just seen it a minute ago, but I still forgot what it was.
Just live trading. That's it. One big screaming billboard. I like it.
Yeah, looks nice.
Let's see if I can get a million in funded. I don't even know how much I have in funded now. Should I check?
Uh-oh, we're dumping.
150.
Emma's getting excited.
175.
Dump it.
225. 325. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of in-between trades here. I'm really not getting any decent setups. They're all like C setups.
One of those days where you got to buy the low, sell the high, I guess.
Yeah, it looks like it. That's why mine are C setups, because my setups don't buy the low.
I just don't do that good on days like that. Every time I try to trade like that, I just don't seem to work.
Yeah, from after that 60-point dump there at 948, whatever, we've been pretty much trading sideways, unless we're putting in a head and shoulders here. Yeah, who knows? This is odd price action, especially these 3 last candles on the 1 minute. But we often see this kind of price action around the VWAP. That's why it's so hard to trade for me. So did you figure out how those collaborations work, what they do? You have any idea what it is?
I don't know, because it told me that you accepted the collaboration, but then I go to my collaborations folder and there's nothing there.
Well, did you accept any of mine?
Did you send me any?
Yeah, I sent you 3 already.
I don't know.
I sent them to you in Discord. That's what I was going to ask, because if you accepted them, I don't think you see when I accept. I think I just see it. But here's the deal. You would figure if someone comes to my channel, they would have like a playlist or a tab that says collaborations, and they would go there and they would see your videos that I'm collaborating with. But there's nothing like that. So if there's nothing like that, what's it doing?
You can do a playlist. think I've seen something about a playlist.
Yeah, but if I have to do it manually,
what do you mean?
It should be done automatic. It should go. They should go into, once I click accept, it should go into. It should go somewhere. Like if I click accept, if you send me an invite and I click accept, somebody navigating my channel should see it somewhere, and you don't.
Yeah, there's a section that says collaborations. I got nothing in there.
No, a person navigating my channel should see the collaborations that I've accepted. Not your channel, on my channel. If you send your wife, your friend, your brother.
Hold on. Stop for a second. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Don't breathe. There's a folder that says collaborations, but I don't see anything in there. So every time we do a collaboration, it
on
should
my
be
page?
in that folder.
Hold on. Don't breathe. Take a breath. Don't breathe. Are you talking about on my page or on your page? You can breathe now.
It should be both. Should be both pages.
Anyways, we'll look later. We can both breathe now. Oh, I got a short. What the hell? I'm going to take it. I'm bored. Maybe I'll just take it for...
Just like they keep sending me a thing talking about highlights. And it's like, well, how do you create highlights? You got to do it before you end the stream? Like, everything's like... They talk about all these amazing features, but they ain't really doing nothing.
Nope. And I read the explanation also. And it was a lousy explanation. And then, at the bottom it says, was this article helpful? I said, no. They asked me why. I told them, I said, I'm just as stupid now as I was before I clicked it. You didn't give me any information. You just talked out of your ass. Yeah, if you accept a collaboration, then you're going to be collaborating with the person, and the other person is collaborating, and you're both collaborating. And that's so it's going to be a collaboration. Oh, okay, perfect. And they paid you to write this?
It's like written by a 3-year-old.
Tonight I'm going to see a TikTok. Who's the fucker that posted a negative review about my collaboration explanation? I got fired.
I don't care.
No, I don't think they do. I think they enjoy being vague about everything. The trade went to target, just to let you guys know. 19. Entry was at 26. Target was 19. Trading one account today only. Oof, and I'm green, but...
Bama's out. Now to dump Bama.
Did you count to 10?
Did you count the 10? They probably got tired of it bouncing off of this. Made 200. It'll dump. I mean, I'm amazed that you held through all this. And if it pops back up, you can re-enter, right? Mike, you can't deny that the price respects that 5-minute moving average. Been bouncing off of it. Pre-market, we was bouncing off of it.
Yeah.
Before that, it's like over and over and over. We just bounce off of that moving average. We're in kind of a wedge right now. If it hits 24 and sellers jump in, you'll jump in. I don't know, because that would be new all-time highs, right? You would sell all-time high?
What's all-time high?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what I was looking at.
25,000. No,
25,400.
25,400.
Yeah, that would be
Okay,
all-time high. Sellers jump in. Okay. Heard people talk about selling all-time high. Just never had that in my playbook. I always figure if it hits all-time high, it might keep going.
it really does look like we're kind of rolling over on the 5-minute chart, or rolling back up. That's just not rolling over. For me, rolling over means going back down.
Trying to push up.
Yeah, it looks like
I don't know if y'all can hear those beeps.
it's, rounding up. That's
Would seem weird that here it is on a Friday we're this close to all-time high, but we don't make it. Came what? 4.5, 5 points from all-time high.
yeah, as I was saying, I found it pretty amazing that it did that.
I've seen it do it before, but it just always amazes me when you see that.
See, that's what when I talk about Joker with the algo, it seems like the way they talked at how the market hunts liquidity, you figured that would have been 100% given that we would have poked through it. But then he counters with, they're going to manufacture more liquidity by bringing it lower and making it an even stronger area of liquidity. That was his argument. So I said, okay, yeah, that goes. I'll go with that.
Could be. Just depends. I'll only consider if they jump in because we have a negative CVD. Gotcha.
Well, if you've been trading off the 1 minute, it's been hard to trade. That I can give you that. If you're trading the 1 minute and you're green, I tip my hat off to you.
We're pushing up, breaking this wedge.
Which wedge?
Believe you called it a bull flag.
Good morning, Joker. No, I called it an Omnius bull flag. Hey, Joker, we were just talking about you. I was talking about the all-time high, and I was saying that if they claim that they hunt liquidity, you would figure that we wouldn't have sold off just a couple of points under it at 9:45. You'd figure it would have been a given that we would have taken it out and then traded lower by 90 points. And then I said, but Joker came back with a good counter argument saying that no, they send it lower to manufacture additional liquidity at that level, because now there's 2 points, not just one, the all-time high and now the one just under it, which I said was a good counter argument. However, if you do have that counter argument, I would expect that it gets taken out. But Yeah, it was a good counter argument. Hmm.
May try buy there. They
Yeah, me
don't pull
too.
those orders before
44
it
and a
hits.
quarter.
What about 4.25?
44 and a quarter. When you said you're going to try a buy there, I got in
I was
right
reading
there.
Bama's comment.
Oh, okay. $44, $48. Got out of half for 5 points. 44, 50, 51, 51, 52. That's enough for me. 8 points. I'll take it. Haven't been doing that good today. I've actually been, oh, look at that. It's right back down to 44. I've actually been just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's a good thing the first move was up and down, up and down. No, it's true. Up and down, up and down. You're always ending up green. If it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, you're either red or break even. So it happened to work out fine for me, but
did break the wedge, but just kind of in this sideways channel.
it's an interesting chart. Wow.
15 minutes still bullish.
How do you know?
Because I clicked 15 on my trading view and I looked at it and it looked to me like it was bullish.
I don't have that chart anymore. I don't have the 15. I don't have the... it's true, I do. I can just change the time frame on my 4-hour chart. I guess that's the way I got to do it here. Let's go to the 15-second and see what he's talking
That's
about.
the good thing about not 15-second, 15 minute.
Yeah, no, it is. The 15-minute is completely different than the 5-minute.
That's the good thing about trading views. You can just keep changing time frames. You don't have to have 100 charts.
Yeah, I got to get used to that, though. Yep, the 15-minute is a bull flag for me, and we just broke it. That's 2. Actually, we got 3 lower highs on a push up, and we're above the band. So yeah, this is a good entry here. We might be coming up to, let's say, like a what did you call it? A halfway what?
Halfway house?
No, you know, when it comes down 50%.
Something about croches?
No. But what did you call it? You said a halfway. It was, your word had halfway in it.
When, today?
Yesterday, when we were talking about consequent encroachment, and when we said consequent encroachment is just a 50% retrace, and you used the word with halfway. I liked it. It was a good expression.
Halfway mark?
Maybe halfway point. Yeah. You come down to the halfway point. Let's see if I know how to do the settings. Okay, I don't want 382. I don't want 618. I don't want you. I don't want
What's funny is everybody sets up like a Fibonacci tool to get the halfway point. You can just set up your regular rectangle tool, right? Look, draw it. Halfway point right there. I think people just like to make things complicated.
What? Hold on.
Wow.
Where's the rectangle tool? I like that. I remember I'm new at this, so I don't even know where I find the shapes. Where do I find the shapes? Brush, highlighter, rectangle. Okay, so I draw a rectangle.
See the halfway line?
What? I don't have a halfway line. I have the dots. I don't know if you don't see it. But can I format it so that it always shows a halfway line? If I go into the settings. Middle line. Oh, look at that.
You don't have to set up a Fibonacci tool. You don't have to draw all these crazy shapes. It's all right there in the rectangle tool that we all use every day.
Mm-hmm.
If you want the 60%, which some people like, the 50 and the 60, it's right under the 50. That's simple. Yeah, really, you got to see that 5, 6, right?
That was funny. Wow, you just saved me a little bit of trouble. I love it. Thank you.
Somebody drained all the gas out of the market. Was doing all that weird shit this morning before they opened, drained all the gas out of it. All the big money guys were pulling a Skeletor today. Like, all right, I'm out. Later, guys.
Well, I'm calling it. I think we're going higher.
You think we're going higher?
I think we're going higher. All based on the 15-minute. If it's a wrong call, it's Omnius's fault. He's the one that put me on the 15-minute chart.
Blame your wife. Blame me. Blame the vacuum cleaner.
Where's
blame
Ruin?
the chair.
I got something for him. Hey, Joker. I think I brought in the Joker thing. Did I? Yes, I did. We're back in business. I gotta raise it. There we go.
At least you give him a red beard. You keep trying to make mine gray.
He didn't want gray.
Like, damn, it's getting there fast enough. You don't have to help it.
Let's put them on top, the ones that I can put on top. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1057?
What the fuck was that?
I told you I think we're going higher.
That's 100 points. Damn.
I told you I think I shouldn't have opened my mouth, you see?
As soon as you said it, too.
You're damned. Damn you with your 15-minute charts.
Nothing for an hour and a half. You say we're going long. Mark's like, bullshit.
Damn you and your 15-minute chart.
Shot right through the support and everything. What was that? Where do we find the news that tells us why it does that? Fear and greed index is neutral. Oh man, this number's still dumping. Somebody did something. Ain't got nobody talking. What happened, Skeletor? Sell everything, man. The world's ending. Sell the cat, sell the dog, sell the car.
Crazy, eh?
What the hell?
I told you we were going lower.
Okay, Patrick.
I told you we were going lower.
Wait, isn't that guy from ICT, isn't his name Michael?
Yes, it is. Well, what did I say? What did I say?
Okay, ICT.
I said we're going to take out the highs, the all-time highs, and we're going to go lower.
And all I had to do was hold. What if that would have went the other way, though? Oh, goodness.
I wonder what's going on. This is too hard. This is impossible to trade right now.
What was that, 200 points right there? What the?
Yeah, it's too hard to trade this. I can't get those. Way too much slippage. Maybe lower my size to a one lot or something.
I don't want nothing to do with this.
I sold the one lot.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all stop losses are optional right now.
Yeah.
Hope y'all know that. Don't be counting on no stop loss. You're gonna have a 10-point stop loss. It's gonna wind up being 100 points. Full port, sell everything.
Pretty much, yeah.
Did it. Wonder if that one guy broke the peace treaty already.
Yeah, that can be it.
Everyone's like, yeah, we'll see how long that holds. He's already broke it several times.
Well, I should just thank my lucky stars that
Trump said on Truth Social, I guess, have been contacted by other countries who are extremely angry at China's trade hostility, which came out of nowhere. So I wonder if China just made a statement about Trump. Trump also said Chinese letters were especially inappropriate. What's the letters? I guess China came out with something nasty. Trump calculating increased tariffs on China products. Oh, that's what did it right there. The Trump came out talking about raising tariffs. He's mad at China.
25,000.
Very inappropriate what they did.
Very inappropriate.
Very inappropriate. Terrible. China made a sinister move with rare earth controls. Am I reading this right? Rare earth control. It's hard to read because it's covered in red. It's like, oh, this is serious news.
It's sinister. Who uses the word sinister?
I guess Trump.
I've never used that word.
How come we don't have True Social? Y'all ain't?
Maybe we don't have.
It was a day, wasn't it?
Whoo! That was a nice $300 trade in 1 second.
Somebody needs to have Trump's tweets on speed dial.
Okay, look, I'm taking it. Slow down.
Bama, what if you'd have held that entire move?
Fuck off.
My goodness. China made a sinister move with rare earth controls. What does that even mean? Do we have a Trump translator in the house?
A sinister move with rare earth control. Obviously, they're not going to share their rare earth with maybe the West or the world.
Maybe. Bam, if I'd have held my full TP, I'd be up 1,400 today. My goodness.
Okay, take it, Mike. Stop it.
Oh, man, this guy's still tweeting. Y'all better be careful.
Yeah, I just said stop it.
Trump, I was to meet with XI. Is that the president? Yeah.
Xi.
Z?
Xi.
Was to
President
meet
Xi.
with Xi in 2 weeks.
Xi.
Now there seems to be no reason to do so. Mad at that guy. I ain't gonna talk to him.
I'm not. I'm not going either.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go either. No,
I'm calling the airline, see if I can get a refund on my tickets.
Also Trump. Yeah, also Trump, because this guy tweets like 1,000 things at a time. I have not spoken to President Xi because there was no reason to do so. I'm not talking to you.
No.
Oh, he's still tweeting. Oh my goodness. All right, I have to go use the bathroom and come back and read more tweets.
I'm going to take a break too because this is dangerous for me.
This is dangerous.
It is. Okay, has some sanity returned to the markets? No, we still got a huge range. The ATR is still very high. Let me just make sure my ATR period is set to 6. It is. I like a very responsive ATR. We're under previous day's low. We're under VWAP.
Come here, you got no camera.
I have a camera. It's on top of my monitor. I'll turn it on. I'm in the mood for a different setting. We're going into the red room. Yeah, you know what? This is good for me. It's good practice of discipline. I'm just going to watch.
Trump's last tweet was 11:04, said many countermeasures under consideration on China. Trump is very mad at this China guy.
Cancel all orders! Cancel all orders!
Companies leave that China guy alone. That guy's crazy, man. People over there, they don't think the way we do over here.
Wow, look at that. 995 to 040 in like 1 second. Guys, don't forget 15-second rule with MFFU, eh? Please respect it. We don't care if you got 150 points in 5 seconds. You got to give it another 10 seconds and give it all back.
Oh my goodness. Could you imagine that?
Yeah, that's another one of those crazy rules. I'm going to create a video on that.
Top 5 craziest rules and props.
Crazy rule, crazy rules exposed. Or what was it? College girls gone wild, prop firms gone wild. I don't think you can use the gone wild. I think it's copywritten.
Yeah.
Let's go with gone loony.
Yeah, you want to see something funny?
Mm.
This is where they I don't know if I can show it. Can we do the whole thing? We'll do it like that.
It was certainly a day. If I would have held my full TP, I'd be up 1,400. Yeah, well, who would have known?
On the website, they're like, right here's where Trump tweeted.
Yeah.
Don't look right there, because wasn't we going up?
No, we were drifting lower.
Yeah, we pushed up a bit, right?
We did. Well, we don't know. I don't know what time frame that is.
I guess
an hourly chart.
I guess if you zoomed out.
Okay, I'll wait for volatility.
Oh, that's the dollar index, anyways, in the S&P. Okay, that's why. Yeah, right there is where he tweeted. Another one bites the dust.
We'll wait for volatility to get under 40.
Yeah, Bam, if you would have held, it could also went the other way on some crazy stuff like that and blown the account. Stuff like that blows people's accounts.
Or maybe let me practice with a one lot.
You see stuff like this, a lot of times stop losses don't even work.
Yeah.
Blows right through them. God forbid you have Ninja Trader, you blow through your stop loss, then they'll cancel it. Then you got to fight to get the error message gone while you're trying to figure out how to get out of the trade. Like somebody's shooting at you, and you try to run, there's a guy standing in front of you. Like, there's somebody, can you get out the freaking way? I don't think you're supposed to say that on live stream, but somebody with a toy thing over there trying
with the water
trying
gun.
to cap us. Can you please get out of the way?
Okay, I'll take $30 on a one lot.
Y'all remember that nightclub that caught on fire and like a bunch of people died because they were all trying to get out of the nightclub? They were all fighting who gets through the door first.
Yeah.
So nobody could get through the doors, or everybody died.
Crazy. Well, you're not going to expect people to be calm in that situation. No one's going to say, okay, we're going to go out calmly in a single file line.
Yeah. It was actually worse than that because they all had to fight over one door because they locked the other doors. Because they wanted the band and the staff to be able to get out those doors.
Wow. So think about the fucking, I mean, the people that went to the wrong door and they go, okay, great. Now we're at the back of the line for the good door.
Look, I don't know how to explain this to people, but if the building I'm in is on fire and there's a guy standing at the door saying you can't exit this door, oh, you just have to use your imagination.
Yeah, well, I don't think there was a guy saying anything.
Yeah.
Really?
They wouldn't let people through the door.
I thought it was locked.
There was staff going through the door.
No way.
Oh yeah.
I got off.
Yeah. I'm doing one lots. I'm just practicing. That's crazy.
No way I'm gonna trade that shit.
Mm,
Candles are huge. Spreads like a 1.5.
yeah. Is it? I didn't even look.
What?
The spread.
Spikes. I was seeing spikes up to 5.
Yeah. Didn't even think to check the spread.
It's jumping like 10
Yeah.
points
No,
up
it's
and down.
it's printing candles at an alarmingly fast rate.
I didn't even
You
check
can-
the volume chart. My goodness.
You can enter, but you can expect a lot of slippage.
You'd have to have a 50-point stop loss.
Mm. No, I'm taking trades with a 3-point stop.
Look, if I look right here, this is at 77. The stop loss would have to be down here at 30. But that's 40. That's 47 points. And it's like this freaking small. And it just hit it back and forth several times.
Yeah.
It went 77, 30, back to 77, back to 30, back to 70, back to 25.
Yeah, well, we're still not under 40, so for the ATR, we're heading lower.
Bama, how's that CVD doing? We're negative.
Is it negative? A lot of buying volume coming in the markets. Ooh.
You might have done called it a day.
Mm. Well, I only traded one account, but I'm up 551, so I'm good. I was up. My high water mark was 621. I gave back $70 just now.
Anybody that didn't get caught by that drop had somewhat of a good day because
Yeah, hey, how
I'm
about the
telling you
people
that-
that were short? Then you're cursing if you have your TP put in.
a lot of people going to be very, very, very mad today.
That's it, 572. I only make $20 on that. Okay, another $25.
You're going to have people telling their wives, I lost all their money. Why didn't you have a stop loss? I did. They didn't honor it.
Didn't honor it. Now we're going down aggressive. $6.14. Back up.
Instead of a Black Monday, we got a Black Friday, huh?
Oh, I know you get those. You always get a down market on Friday before a Black Monday.
Think so?
I pretty much know so. I think that's the pattern. It's a Bloody Friday and a Black Monday.
I don't think this news is going to send us to a Black Monday.
No, but this news combined with being at all-time highs.
Possible.
Let's do it again.
Cancel
We're slightly.
all
We're only down
orders.
1.5%.
Cancel all orders.
What's the ES? ES is only down almost 1 point. Keeps fluctuates so fast I can't even tell you. It's like 0.8, 0.9, 1 point something, 0.8. Have to take
Well,
a
I
steel
don't know. I
shot.
think the numbers are wrong here. That's weird. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart on TradingView. It says it's down 113 points, 0.45%. But the close is 286, and we're at 940. That's 300. That's 380 points. I don't know why.
My trading view says
Oh, it's candle to candle. It's not based on the previous day's close. I got to look at the daily chart to get to for that number to be accurate.
so are you on a browser or are you on a application?
I'm in the browser. No, but still, it's got to be. There we go. 337 points, down 1.34%.
I'm trying to tell you, on my browser, at the top, the tab for the browser tells you how much up or down it is for the day.
Yeah, on the daily chart, it's candle to candle.
No, it's whatever chart it's on. It's the tab on the browser.
Candle to candle, a tab on the browser. I don't know. You'd have to show me. I'm not sure what you mean.
You seriously don't know what a tab on the browser is?
I don't know which tab on the browser you're talking about. My browser has lots of tabs.
Let's go look.
I'm full of tabs. I got tabs everywhere. I got on the left, on the bottom.
I can't.
No, later. You'll show me later. You'll show me later.
It's out of range.
Yeah. Show me later.
Look. Can I open a new one? Yeah, I can do it. No, I don't want to do that one.
No, leave it, just in case. Leave it. Be careful. It's not worth it.
Look. There you go right there. See this? Start page?
Yep.
Right? That's your tab.
Yeah.
On that tab, it tells you if it's up or down on the day.
You're right. And it's accurate too. Oh, wait. I will tell you. I just changed charts. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, perfect. It shows the percentage. Can I change it to the points or it's just percentage?
Well, mine's always done percentage.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll happen today, but just be careful if you get down to around 7%.
Oh, is that what it was again?
Yeah, I don't know if they go by the NQ or the ES, because I've seen it pass 7% before without doing it. There is a 7% breaker. Of course, we're only down 1.5. We would have to go. I think I was talking about the other day, wasn't I? How ironic. I guess we'd have to go from the open. Keep wanting to go from the top. We'd have to go from the open. So it'd have to hit 23,500. No, I don't see that. Not over this news.
Well, this is a good exercise, again, like I said, in being patient.
Screw being patient. Stay out of this damn market.
And this all happened just because you had me switch to the 15-minute chart.
All of it. I mentioned the 15-minute chart. You're like, oh, it looks bullish. The funny thing is, look right up here. You said, I'm calling it. It's going up.
I'm calling it.
I got to expand my chart just to be able to get there. Look, where was the lines at? Something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Mike said, I'm calling it right here.
Should I delete that part of the stream?
I'm officially calling it.
I think that's the words I used. I used.
Hey, didn't that happen to me one day? That happened to me one day too.
Yeah.
I was like, I think it was all-time high. I'm like, I just don't see this not going to all-time high. I'm like, I'm calling it. This is going to hit all-time high. And it was like the same thing.
And this is a wonderful example of why I don't trade my bias and why I don't take trades based on those kinds of things. Why I just trade like Renko bars and whatever, so I don't get hurt with decisions like that.
Oh my god! Look at this.
Yeah, it's a little.
Oh
I don't
wow,
know.
560 points almost. 550 points. Dump. In the last half an hour. Last 20 minutes, really.
Uh-oh. Okay, fuck off. I'm gonna have some fun.
Yeah, I'd rather just not have anything to do with this.
Yeah. I said I'm gonna have some fun. I said I'm gonna hold it, but fuck it.
Not only that, but I wonder how many prop firms are going to claim this is red folder news.
676.
Here's what I want to know. I want to know if I got
It's
an
not
email.
red folder news. No. Red folder news is CPI, PPI, non-farm payrolls.
It's red on this side. It's got a big banner across the top. It says breaking. Trump calculating increased tariffs on China products.
Okay, so it's 2 minutes. 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. It's not forever.
I'm just saying. Calm down.
I get emotional.
I thought maybe I had an email. I don't see one.
Mm.
Nope, I don't see it.
Oh, fuck off. I want to sell it one lot and just write it.
Sometimes AMP Futures will send an email. Shit's hitting the fan. We're raising fees. Well, they call it no margin. Margin's been increased. No, I don't see it. Yeah, Damon commented. If you had 740 contracts and bought 25,000 and sold 25,100, how much is that?
A lot of money. That's what my calculator says.
Expecting a math test. Wish the son was here. He'd tell you like that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the number.
We may have found the bottom. I'm calling it.
Oh, if you had said,
No, I'm calling it. I'm calling it at 24,860.
740 contracts plus 25,000 minus 25,100 equals. I think I did something wrong, guys. Bama, I got 18,474,900. I think I did something wrong. All right, let's try again. I assume the answer would be 60. Let me get my calculator again.
Excellent trade right here at 74.
740.
Uh-oh.
Plus.
My platform froze. Because your stop is like 40. It's a 30-point stop.
Minus 25,100 equals 640. Okay.
Really?
I guess I was wrong too. Damn, I was wrong twice. Making me look bad, Bama. I got 640. Mike, what was your answer?
11:30. What chip says a big move coming in? I don't know. I said a lot of money. That was my answer.
That's what someone made. Sweet. Had that order in the whole session.
Someone made that? Not in a prop firm, right? Someone made something like that in a prop firm.
I think he's going off of the book map order.
Yeah, I was going to say a prop firm's not going to pay that out. They're going to find some rule in their contract, or they're just going to make something up.
Hey, does Apex still freeze every time the market does something like this?
It's not Apex. It's Platform. I think it's, well, I know Top Step X and Platform X, they do it. They have that, they have like a 15-second rule. They freeze, I think, 15 seconds before red folder news. What? Or on the red folder news, they freeze for 15 seconds or 10 seconds or something like that. Oh, no, I think it's a pop. A pop in either direction of any of, let's say, like 80 points or 100 points. I think that's when it freezes. It could be any time in the day, but I haven't seen it today. I remember reading about it. I think it's just on any pop.
Crazy.
We're
still dumping.
Mm-hmm.
What's crazy is look at this move. It looks so small. It's a 50-point move right there within this one candle.
Yeah.
More than that. Just one candle. 70 points. It looks like it's 5 points. I guess if you're wanting to YOLO accounts, man, today's the day.
Yep.
Where's all those YOLOers at?
Well, you can't go all in. You go with 10 contracts, you have 10 points. The spread and a fart will take you out. What's going to happen is you're going to go to plus 5,000, but then you're going to immediately go to by the time you click to get out, you're only going to be at plus 2,500, and you'll be above the threshold, but you'll have lost your account because of trailing drawdown.
What if you had 5 contracts? So let's see. What am I math? Terrible with math. Y'all might have to help me.
I wouldn't do more than 3.
Okay, so you got 5 contracts. Wait, let's back up. So you have 20 points.
5 contracts, it's $100. So you need
$100
30
a
points.
point times 72. Oh my God.
Yeah,
you turn down the contracts.
Yeah, 3. I would go 3 max.
Maybe 2. Okay. 20 times 2 equals times 70. There you go, man. 2 contracts. You'd have just passed in the last minute.
Wow, the Dow's going up, making new all-time highs. I'm joking. Before anybody
you could have did 1 contract, you'd have passed in the last 4 minutes. Oh, you just passed right there on another contract. Oh my goodness. Now's the day when you just have a bunch of evals sitting on the side and you're like, all right, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Unfortunately,
I'm not
that
doing
made
it.
me pass all mine or blow them, so I don't have any.
I've learned my lesson already.
I also don't need any. So we already got a list of masters waiting.
That's cool. That's a good problem to have.
We had 2.3% down. And that's going from the high. So we really can't even include that. Gotta go from the open. No. All right. The 2.3 is from the high. All right. What I had was from. I give up. Whatever. Y'all figure it out.
I think my son's doing the right thing. He closed it. He's playing video games.
Yeah, definitely the right thing. That's what I'm going to do here in about 20 minutes.
I'm up 872. Trading 2 lots. 2 micros. It's good practice for me.
China Foreign Minister Wang. You listen here, Mr. Wang. Both parties are accelerating efforts to optimize the free trade agreement. Okay, Mr. Wayne. Wait, France has a communist party too?
I think everybody does now. It's in
I
vogue.
France were communist.
It's in fashion now. Okay, I think we hit the bottom. I think we bottomed. I'm calling it.
Didn't you say that like 200 points ago?
It doesn't matter. I'm going to be right one time, just like when people call the top. You just keep calling it until you're right. And then you say you're a hero. Isn't that how it's done? Me too. I want to take part in that. I'm calling the bottom here at 24,680. I, on the other hand, had a stop. If you heard, I said there was a stop. It was 30 points away. I gave it a 30-point stop. Remember I said, really good entry here, 30-point stop for that bottom call. Right here's another really good entry. Get in at 40, stop out at 20. 20 points, if I'm right. You kill it. I will take a one lot at 40. I'll put my money where my mouth is.
Looking back at my volume chart, oh my goodness, man, all the entries, perfect.
Perfect. Long at 40. My stop is 20 points.
This one might have got you.
At 20.
There's just 30 fucking points. Oh my goodness.
Yep, I know. It's crazy. That's what I'm saying. When you put a 20-point stop, you're laughing. There we go. Got a piece out. In the 60s.
My chart froze.
Oh, shit.
Why'd you do that?
Thank you for reminding me. You know, they like to do that, eh, sometimes?
Yeah. I drew a line and froze.
They freeze the chart over here, and now you're stuck in an order.
Oh, that one froze too.
Monsieur, we're sorry.
Oh, my goodness. Now we're doing this shit.
Told you we hit the bottom. We bottomed.
Yeah, I'm frozen. Okay. They heard me talking about how all those entries were looking. They were like, "I gotta freeze this shit."
Mm-hmm. What are we at? Oh my God. I was hoping for volatility to go under 40. It went up over 60. It actually picked up. What are we at now? We're at 52. Can I get a label on this, please? Settings, visual order, move to, pin, copy.
How about all those people that hit their max profit for the day and they're like, man, I can't take no more trades.
Thanks, a max profit.
Bama out. Bama, have a good weekend, man.
Another fucking stupidity. Max profit.
Bama, just so you know, I'm not going to be here Monday. So jump over to...
Have a good weekend, Bama. Thanks for stopping by.
Mike, you streaming Sunday night?
No, Sunday night now is always family night. If I do, it'll be around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And there's something this weekend. I don't even know what it is. Somebody's birthday or something.
I think Bama's ready to go play some Call of Duty or something.
Mm.
Wait, what was it? The other one? The other guy said one of the shooting games coming out.
I don't know.
Battlefield?
Yeah, that was it. I was going to say Destruction.
I think he said Battlefield. Still large orders to the downside.
Battlefield Exotica. Well, I'm short at 54.
Still got to set up my way to play games on the computer here. My son tells me they freeze up. I don't know. Maybe my computer's not good enough. Maybe I got the settings wrong or something. I don't know.
It could definitely be the settings because my son built himself also a really fine computer. And it was pretty complicated on how to change the graphics settings. I got to tell you, the thing we had to go into to do it was pretty impressive. said, wow, it wasn't just a standard little thing here. We had to go into the driver application and wiggle around into deep in there, you know. I don't remember anymore what the settings were, but they weren't settings I ever played with. That was a nice trade. Wow, that was 55 points in like less than a minute.
It's dumping again. Yeah, I just seen it bounce like 30 points. How do you do anything with this? I have no interest. No interest. You might get lucky a few times and just get your whole account wiped out.
Yeah.
All it would take was Trump to make another tweet and gone. France's Socialist Party. Should they have a socialist party, a communist party? The hell they got going on over there?
A lot of parties. Woo!
Do they have a voice news? We can listen to them. I don't hear anything. If you hear some news kick in, we'll try it out. Hopefully, if they play news, hopefully don't have any music in it. Tell you the one I heard about this morning. They're talking about AI.
Okay.
And so they gave like 3 stories on AI, a little video I was watching this morning. And one of the things was this guy, he got in trouble for money laundering or whatever. And what he did was he used the AI app to make songs. So he made thousands of songs, and he posted them all over all the music apps like Spotify, Apple Music, and stuff.
Okay.
The hell was that? Oh my goodness! Is that news thing?
I don't know.
Oh, turn that shit off.
Wasn't me.
I bet it's this tick strike here. Okay, can we turn it down at least? Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Turn that off. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. There's the very loud ticking in my ear. Okay, so the guy made thousands of songs. He put them all over these music sites, and then he made hundreds of profiles, and he listened to his songs that he made all day long.
Okay.
And over like the past 5 years, he made like $10 million.
Holy shit.
And we
But
wanted
wait
to
a
be
minute.
traders.
How does that work?
Because every time your song's played on Spotify, you get a certain amount for the commercials.
Yeah, but the person has to, I thought the person who listens has to pay. So I was saying he's taking money from his left hand and giving it to his right hand.
No, every time your song's played, you get a certain amount.
Yeah, okay, I didn't know that.
He racked up billions of plays.
Wow.
Made like $10 million in the past 5 years.
Well, that's how to do it.
And we wanted to be traders. Could have been making AI songs. You figure if you make 10 a day, just put it on there, and you just have something. You have a bunch of things playing it over and over.
So
the next story. What's that?
Does he have to give it back, or it's his?
I don't know. He's going through court now, I guess.
They want their money
But
back.
he got arrested for a bunch of felonies. I guess they call it scamming the system or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think he'll win. I don't see how they can. I don't know.
Coin flip. Want to do it? 10 points for 10 points. I'm going to do it. But just a one lot.
Sorry, there was this guy talking in my head. Yeah, I don't like that either.
We're long. One. We're long. We're out. That was a 2-second coin flip.
If I could put the news over the stream, would you want to hear it?
Me? No, not really.
I've heard other people do that. I don't know. I don't think I like it.
I like it, but I'm not in the mood for it now. I think it's a value-added service.
The next AI thing they was talking about was college students hacking meta glasses.
Oh, okay.
So they had it set up to when they walk up to people, it takes their image and scans Facebook, like gives you all the data on that person. So
Sure.
like if I was looking at you, it'd tell me your name, your last name, all the data stuff you got on Facebook, your birthday, maybe you who you were with, your friends.
Butters.
With all that,
What's
with
up,
all that
Butters?
power at their fingertips, what do you think they were doing with it?
I have no idea. Making nude photos, putting it on OnlyFans, and then with a million other cell phones, they were viewing their stuff and making money.
They were using it to pick up girls.
Oh,
They'll
yeah.
go, oh, remember we was at such and such together. Oh, we had such a great time. Oh, your friend was there. You know, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Well, I'm not
Butters,
gonna
what's
hook
up?
I'm not hooking up with an ugly girl because she remembers doing something with me at some point.
Yeah, right.
So I would just say, well, okay, well, was I drunk?
We was at a soccer game last week.
I'm not going to make that mistake another time.
Some girl's trying to talk to my son. She's like across the parking lot. She's like, hey, I remember you from last year. And something. And he like refused to talk to her. My son is a pretty girl over there, keeps yelling at you.
Yeah,
at least say hi. He's like, she was not in my class. I think she was on a soccer team. Come think about it. She was like trying everything to talk to this kid. I'm like, son, just please go talk to this damn girl. She's a pretty girl, and go talk to her. Say hi. Wave at her. Do something. He's like, she was not in my class last year. Like, I don't care. I don't care.
If you like her so much, you go talk to her.
Yeah, right. So I don't care. I don't care if she knows you. I don't care if it was mistaken identity. I don't care if she was in your class. I don't care. She's a pretty girl. Say hi. Wave. Do something. Don't look so awkward.
How old is your boy?
10.
Ah, it's too young. He's borderline. 10 is just getting there.
He'll be 11 soon.
Yeah.
Look, nowadays you got to start planting in their head pretty girls, right?
Yep.
Otherwise, you'll have other people planting all kinds of other stuff in their head. Young boys are the funniest around girls they like. Butter stunts. Message got deleted. Mike, you still hiding his messages?
I don't know. Young boys are the funniest around girls they like. I don't have a message deleted.
No, there's another one under that.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you fixed this.
No. I did. I removed moderation completely.
I'll click show. Says I was kissing girls in the first grade.
I was kissing girls in like the first grade. First grade. Wow, that's young.
What's funny is he's got all these girls that try to talk to him. Yeah, that's the message. Mike, fix your moderation, man.
It's on none. I actually go in and do it on none. I don't know why it's still there.
He's got all these girls trying to talk to him. He don't want nothing to do with them. They wanted to kiss me. That's funny. That's about the way it is with the boy. Like you see all these girls like going out of their way trying to talk to him, and it's weird because he's not shy at all. But it's just like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it.
Nice.
Like this kid goes anywhere. He's done made friends with everybody. You can't take the kid anywhere. He knows you go anywhere with a kid, he's already making friends with everybody. Like, son, how do you know that person? He's like, I don't know. I don't know them. Then you see a pretty girl, and he's like, I don't know. Why I want to talk to that girl? How do I know I'll even like her?
Yeah, you got the right attitude. Dad, don't be so superficial. It's not all about looks these days, you know.
Yes, it is. If it looks like a girl, okay. If it don't, if it's got an apple run.
It was got an apple. No, I tell my boys, compatibility is much more important than looks. It's good to have both, but if you have to pick one over the other, you want compatibility. Looks doesn't last long. After a little while, you just see the person. You don't see a pretty girl anymore, and they don't see a handsome man.
Girls are just scary. We was in the grocery store one day, and this girl come running from across the store, say hi to him. I'm like, son, say hi. Do something, man. Come on. Like, no, I'm like giving him the elbow. Like, tell this damn girl hi.
Yeah, no, our conversation. When I go out with my son and the girls are looking our way, I go to him, is she checking you out or is she checking me out?
Yeah, right.
He gets a good laugh at that. Yes, please tell me to stop.
Butter said 100% Mike. Checking you out, Mike.
Yeah. Only if they're laughing. Ah, so cute. You go out with your dad. They're looking for an excuse to talk to him.
Well, like I tell my son, you got to talk to him even if you don't like him. That way you get more comfortable around talking with people. And
get in the reps.
I tell him, should ask them to be your friend. Who cares if they don't want to? Get used to hearing no. That's the best thing you can do in life is get used to the word no. I mean, maybe not the best thing, but it's an important thing.
Yep. Because that's the thing. If you only do it once in a blue moon, you take it personal. Yeah. But if you do it like you don't take it personal, and it becomes a numbers game, and that's the way it should be.
I told him, I said, you know how many times guys settle for horrible women because they were too scared to ask the one they wanted out?
Mm-hmm.
Like, don't ever be that guy. Find every girl you think you like, ask her out, date her, see if you like her, and when you find one that you just can't stand being without, marry her.
Yep.
Don't be that guy that watching somebody else marry the girl of his dreams because he was too scared to ask.
Mm-hmm.
You want something in life, go take it. And if the answer is no, so what? Get
So
over
be
it.
it.
Move on with something else. I think everybody learns that lesson too late in life.
Yeah.
He has a job. You want more money? Go tell the boss. You want more money? Look, man, I need a raise. Come on now. Get off the damn money. They say no. At least you tried. Amazing the amount of times you get exactly what you want
If
just because
only
you're
you would
willing to
ask.
ask. Yes, sir. I was persistent with my wife. Yep. I mean, there comes a point where it's like persistence and creepy kind of a thin line. Yeah. Some point you gotta be willing to say okay and go away. But yeah, you gotta be persistent too. Not be scared to ask. I think my son's stuck at the part where like people are like, watch out for girls, they take half your stuff and
Hmm.
you won't be able to play video games. He's like, what? Why would I ever want that? He's like, I don't know if I ever want a girlfriend. Calm down, son. It'll be okay. Plus, he's got a sister that terrorizes him.
That's-
Maybe he'd want a girlfriend if he didn't have a sister.
yeah.
He's like, this is
Yeah.
what girls are like. I don't ever want a girlfriend.
Woot woot.
I think the girls start dating. I might have to check on the boyfriend after the date. Come back, boy. You all right? She didn't hurt you, did she?
Hmm. What's up?
Woohoo!
Both
You win,
charts.
Butters. You win. Butters done. Draws high number. Need like a bell or something to go off when people win.
Wow, that's so stupid.
What?
The wealth charts on Apex. You change the symbol, you close it, and it opens back up on the old symbol. What a what a powerful.
Guess what? TradingView does the same thing.
Mm.
This the beginning of a reversal?
Maybe.
Or is this the H pattern? Who was calling the H pattern before? Maybe Skeletor?
I don't know. I don't remember seeing someone call an H pattern.
Somebody was saying the H pattern, I think last week. Butters, you trading this? You catch this short here? Sell at the top?
There's a short.
No, the one earlier. All you gotta do is, Mike, all you gotta do is sell at the top, man. Just hold for 700 points and then get out.
Hmm.
I wish I was one of those hindsight traders. Just be like, look, guys, this is so easy. What are y'all not understanding? Look, you just sell right here. Look, just draw it out for you guys. It's so freaking easy. All you do is sell here, right? Hold, don't be a sissy. Hold, and then cover. 700 points. That's all you got to do. How'd I do, Mike?
You did good.
I need to be a hindsight trader. I always like the comments when people say, "What time do you do it live?" What? You can make a lot of money as a hindsight trader. Oh man, heck yeah! I see a lot of people doing it. YouTube's all about hindsight traders. And if you're a good enough hindsight trader, you could sell a course, rake in the money. Finance YouTube pays like double the regular content. They don't pay me anything, Butters. I don't get paid anything. Nothing. I think I made like $2 last month on affiliates. That wasn't even YouTube. I don't get nothing. I get less than nothing. Is that possible?
No.
It is possible. I get less than nothing. I'm in the negative for YouTube. Thankfully, I don't have to watch ads during y'all streams. Yeah, if you see any ads during our stream, that's YouTube's bullshit.
Mm.
What I hear, YouTube don't really pay that much anyways. They pay double, something like double what the other content gets for financial stuff. But the views are so much lower, it kind of equals out anyways. You see some of the stuff that other people post and freaking 20,000 views. There's a guy on TikTok, he puts rubber bands around a watermelon and gets like 20,000 views. Like, oh yeah, this is so much better than learning how to trade. What was the other one? There was a kid throwing a ball against the wall. Had like a crazy amount of views. I mean, it was a cool trick shot video. He had it set up with like the pans, right? You bounce the ball and it hits one, it hits the other, and hits the other. I couldn't imagine sitting there for 3 hours watching it. Crazy thing is that TikTok and YouTube, they'll promote all that stuff, but they won't promote our channels at all. And anytime we try to get any answers, they say, oh, well, it's, what was it, Mike? False or misleading content.
Yeah, I know. Totally stupid. Everything is false and misleading. Even a, what do you call it? Even just a video with a disclaimer is false and misleading content.
Mike, you censored JC?
No, why? Now what happened?
Oh, my goodness. You're going to... Tough weekend for you.
No, I don't do any censoring. I told you. I don't know why it's doing that.
I'll show her comment just because it's JC, but man, you gotta... She's on her way to you right now to whack you in the head with a frying pan. Maybe I'll show my feet. Let's see how many views. Probably get a whole, but you'll be surprised. My guy's watching one video on TikTok and this girl kept showing her feet. I was like watching videos with my daughter. I'm like, why does she keep showing us her feet? I'm like, what's going on here? In other news, I'm almost done downloading Battlefield. Oh, was you the one talking about Battlefield? So I had it right, didn't I? Didn't I say Battlefield? Or no? I can't remember.
Yeah, I think you did say Battlefield.
Is today?
Battlefield Exotica.
Came out today? We need to stream some Battlefield. That's how you get views right there. We're going to do a split screen. Half of it will be Battlefield, and the other half will be JC's feet. Telling you, man. Hey, I bet you there'll be 300 viewers.
So funny. I swear to God, yeah. Trading in feet.
Not trade, no gaming in feet.
Gaming in feet.
Nobody likes trading. Only one more gig to go. I even told you I seen the one video, like this fat guy rubbing his belly. Like 300 people watching. I'm like, what the fuck are y'all watching?
Wow, crazy.
No, leave the chart open with the bot so you can claim financial content. There you go. Put like a the problem, Butters, is when you have a chart on your screen. Ask Mike. When you have a chart on your screen, they claim that you're misleading people and that you're trying to scam them, and they call it false or misleading content, and they censor your stream. It's stupid. There's nothing in any video, in any title, any description that's false or misleading. In fact, it even says it's not financial advice. Yeah. It's just the way YouTube does stuff. Mike, what you doing? You still trading?
No, I'm playing with something here, but I can't get it to work.
On stream?
No. Oh, there we go.
Did you make one of those things like Butters got?
Nope.
Did he inspire you?
No.
I bet he's playing with it right now.
His band, his rubber band.
Is that the butter bands?
The butter bands, it's true, yeah.
Butters, is that called the butter bands? He's not answering that comment. He's like no comment. Plead the fifth.
Butter bands. Yep, there was a butter bands.
Either that or Battlefield finally finished downloading. All right, what we doing? Mike, you ready to start the weekend?
I am, but it's going to be a long, hard weekend again.
Why?
Long story. Lots to do.
Mm,
Always lots to do.
I know the feeling. Yep. Last weekend was the stay at home and chill weekend. This weekend's the chaos.
Yeah.
What can you do?
Oh, wow.
All right, let's get the hell out of here. Are you hanging out?
Give me a sec. My finger on the button.
Long or short?
Long at 95. Let me do a flatten.
Cancel all orders. Cancel all orders.
Yep. Crazy. Okay, yeah, let's close up. What do I got to do? Is there a flatten everything? Flatten. Close.
Cancel all orders. Go play Battlefield.
Changes you leave.
Fortnite. I'll probably play Fortnite.
We'll
Cancel all orders. Go play Fortnite and Battlefield.
I may have caused myself problems.
Uh-oh.
I made too much money on my PA.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. What is it? I made 1,600. So now instead of making 3,000, I got to make what? 4,500, 5,000.
Uh-oh.
I can go lose. Isn't that crazy?
Uh-oh.
There's another crazy rule. Go lose money. So you don't violate a rule. Fucking stupid idiots.
What firm?
Apex.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Make a little bit more money and
That's it.
not that big of a deal.
Good news is I'm over my buffer already, so now that I have no more trailing. Right? That's good news.
Great news.
I do whatever the fuck I want. Can I answer them that when they deny my payment?
Oh, you can answer this one. I could
I
hear
do.
y'all.
I do
I
whatever
was
the
just
fuck I
changing a
want.
poopy diaper.
Who was changing poopy diaper?
Butters?
Yeah,
Oh, that's right. He's got the little kids, right?
I remember those days. Okay, I didn't touch my Bulenox accounts at all. Sebo. I was responsible.
Traded mine, so I got 5 days.
Oh no, I rotated mine properly this week. No problem. But today I stayed away.
I'm just saying on stream. I traded that damn account. I got 5 days, so
You made it's duly noted.
if I come back in 3 and they're fucking with me, I got evidence.
I got evidence. I got to get used to this platform here, Platform X. The thing is, the trade copier is kind of hidden. You either have the trade copier open or you have the chart open. I can't have the trade copier open also at the same time.
I think there's 2 different types of poopy diapers. Wait. There's the breastfed poopy diapers and the not breastfed poopy diapers.
I don't even want to know the difference.
I mean, you see some of these kids, they're like formula fed, man, and it just stinks. It's horrible. Ugh.
Oh, really? I thought the breastfed would be sloppier and more yellow and.
Nah, man. Both of my kids were like barely nothing. Super easy to change. You ever see like the things where like holding up the diapers? Come on, Mike. You got to fix this blocking everybody's messages, man.
I'm not blocking anybody's messages. Here, let me go look. Just for you.
To. Now we're half milk, half formula. I mean, you got to do what you got to do. Nothing wrong with that, but some of the doctors nowadays, they try to discourage the women from breastfeeding.
You said you go to content, go to your live. Wow, it sucks. Pick the.
Oh, yeah, let's do it now. We'll get off here. Just check it out.
Okay, what am I looking
gotta
for?
Be done right now.
Moderation.
I don't remember where it was at.
It's got to be an edit somewhere. Let's go
How
down
do I create
here.
a highlight reel?
Category.
Create a title. I don't know. Give me any title.
Playlist, audience.
Description.
Altered content.
Create a highlight. Create. Let's see what they do.
Language caption. Stream location.
All right,
Moderation is none. It's you.
How's it me blocking people on your stream? Come on, man.
I don't know. Maybe because you're a moderator and maybe your moderation settings are. You know what? I'm going to try something. There's only one way to know. Who got what's the word?
Message held?
Yeah.
Wasn't necessarily blocked, it was held for review. There's a hold for review setting somewhere. You got it marked.
Don't show potentially automatic captions. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. I'll move that. I'll remove that.
Nah, it's something hold for review or something.
General, no. Upload defaults. Let's see. Basic. Visibility, public, advanced settings, captions, allow automatic dubbing, manually review dubs, no. Comments on, moderation, basic. Let's change that to none.
Battlefield 6, baby. Let's go.
Permissions, okay. Community moderation. Comments on,
Butters,
moderation,
you got a stream Battlefield, man.
None.
Get that streamer going. Stream some Battlefield. If I had it, I'd be streaming it.
Okay, let's see. And
should I start a stream? Might as well, why not? Do a TikTok. Stream Battlefield on TikTok. Hey, what happened?
what happened?
I don't know.
Well, I removed you as a moderator.
No, something on my stream happened.
Now let's see. Everything has been removed. Do I have any restrictions? No. Perfect. Shorts.
There's somewhere it says hold comments. I don't know.
Yeah, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah, it was in You go to YouTube Studio. I just went through YouTube Studio. It's funny. I remember the first time I was setting it. It was so confusing. Settings. Permissions. No, community moderation. So none. There's blocked words. I have none. Hold comments with hashtags and URLs for review. That's unchecked. User management. I removed all.
Where did you go?
Community moderation, content controls.
How did you get the community mod? Because that might mean I think that's the community board. That might not be the right one.
Doesn't matter. I went into upload defaults, advanced settings. And advanced settings, moderation is none. Comments on.
Why that makes it so difficult?
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, yeah, let's call it a day. It's 12:30. Very good. That was a fun day. I'm happy with my day. So I guess I will see you guys either Sunday night. Thanks for hanging out. It's appreciated. I'm glad I got my charts set up. I'll still work on it a little bit better, but I'm glad the way the charts are. Let me close this page. I'm glad the way the charts are all set up. What was I showing? I was showing there my 1 minute chart. You see also what the auto fit. Yeah. You know, okay, maybe you can, anyways, I won't waste your guys' times. Yeah. See y'all later. I have a couple questions for Omnius. So I'll ask him later off stream. So again, yeah, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you either Sunday night or Monday morning before 9:15.
Butters, see you later. Everybody, appreciate everybody hanging out. I will not be here Monday. Make sure you go to Mike's stream. Everybody have a good weekend. Butters, absolutely fucking destroy them in Battlefield, man. Destroy those mother beaches.
Is that a Call of Duty game? Is that like Call of Duty Battlefield? Like there was Call of Duty Modern Warfare? Is that what it is?
I think so. I can't remember. They're all about the same group.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Take care.
All right. Later, guys. Have a good weekend.
See you on the weekend. Bye.